I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locating the shorts flagged in YouTube Studio, open content and filter for shorts. You need to identify the exact claim type, content ID match, manual claim, or a strike, because the remedy differs. Once done, collect evidence, original project files, license emails, timestamps, or purchase receipts that show ownership or permission. Make sure to note when and where you uploaded the source material, and prepare concise statements that explain your rights before you proceed. Now decide. If you legitimately own or license the content, click Dispute and select the correct legal basis, licensed content or original creation, and attach your evidence. If the claim is valid and you prefer faster resolution, edit the short. Trim the infringing clip, mute or replace audio with a licensed or royalty-free track, or recut visuals to remove protected elements. YouTube often accepts edits faster than disputes, so choose the path that preserves your channel while resolving the claim efficiently. Finish by monitoring the claim status frequently. YouTube responses can take several days, and you should check both email and studio notifications. If your dispute is denied, appeal only when you have new, solid evidence or a clear license. Frivolous appeals risk strikes. If nothing works and you suspect a system error, re-upload a slightly edited version. Change timestamps, adjust cuts, or swap audio, because many automated matches clear after a minor edit. Keep records of every step in case you need.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.